Show you how to make your own 100th day of school shirt that has 100 items on them. So I picked up this this brand of shirt from Michaels, just like under $5. These letters right here, these are the bag of letters. I've already opened them, as you can see. This is the brand, and this is what it says. This is also from Michaels. I've actually had this for a few months, and I just counted them, make sure I had 100, and they're space foam stickers. This is going to be really easy. I mean, they're probably going to fall off as the day goes on. You can always hot glue them. I'll probably end up hot gluing them, but it's only for, this shirt is only for a day. It's not like I'm trying to keep this. So make sure you do not use something that you are going to want to save. Don't use any expensive shirts. Just get you a shirt from Michaels. But it's going to be super easy, and I'm going to show you how to make it. And I forgot to mention on these letters, this bag only comes with letters, and I didn't realize that, so no problem. I just need 100, 100. So I took a Q and cut it, and I took an I, a capital I, and just cut it like this, and that's how I got my numbers.
No, I'm not going to give these from here. Hey, you want a sandwich?
Yeah.
I'll make you a sandwich.
So I just laid them on the shirt. I didn't like measure like exactly dead in the middle, because he's literally gonna wear it just for a few hours at school and then be done with it. So I put them in the area that I wanted them in without taking the back of the sticker off. And now I'm going to, you know, just stick them on, and they actually stick pretty good without having to hot glue them. So the bigger pieces, we'll see how it goes, but this is just sticking right on. I always have an audience. If you have cats, you probably know, because they always have to get it all up in your business. Right, pretty girl? Hi. Mommy's sweet. Now he's just gonna pick out which ones he wants on his shirt, and then we'll kind of, before we stick them on, we're just gonna kind of arrange them on there to see what looks good. And
Like this.
Yeah. We'll get a bunch more and we'll see what looks good on there. So far, this is a little over 50 of them already on there. So I arranged them, and then I just went ahead and stuck them on there. You can see they're not going anywhere. I didn't even have to hot glue them. I really think that they will stay pretty good, even if a couple fall off at school. I mean, it'll be all right. It's just one day, right? Okay, so this is the finished product. This is 100 stickers on here, and it literally took me probably like 45 minutes. I mean, I've got kids, so back and forth with them, but yeah. If you want to see any more videos like this, I'm going to be creating some more DIY content, so look out for it and check it out. Thanks for watching.